So hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make slime with only one ingredient. I'm not gonna show you, I'm gonna be testing it out. So you need something to mix with, something to mix in. And I put my shampoo away because I already have some in here. It's called Soft Kids. So yeah, then what you're gonna do is just mix your slime. And you can see it's getting ready to go. I did not add nothing. My sister is screaming, I'll come back. So when I went to the kitchen where she was, she told me to take off a dog of her hair. Literally, she had a toy dog stuck on her hair. And then I decided, why not add salt? Okay. So, but not that much salt because it's already liquidy. Literally. I added already some salt, see if it worked, and it's coming all together. Wait. There was literally water in here. That's why it didn't work. Literally. Oh my gosh, this was a failed. I want to go put it away because they don't let me make slime, but I'm in my room. Why not make slime? Go put the salt back. Ve por la sal otra vez. Ahí en la cocina en la mesa. Córrele. Ok, no te voy a dar slime. So if you want me to make more slime, just in the comments down below, tell me what you want me to do. I could do it, eat it, or wear it challenge and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, hope y'all like my video.